What's good, everyone? It's been a minute since I made any type of free food type of video. The last one I did was Wendy's, the one before that was McDonald's. And how to give free pizza. This type of video, it was like the third video I ever made on this channel or something, and it's still one of my most popular videos, which is so funny. But here are just a couple ways on how to get free pizza from really any major chain. Most of these can really work on like bigger chains like Domino's, Pizza Hut, whatever, but some of these might actually work for like small mom and pop pizza shops as well. So the first one, this is a humongous one. Some major pizza chains, like I said, Domino's, Pizza Hut, Papa John's, basically those pizza places do have some type of rewards program. Now, if you give them your email or something, sometimes they send you like free pizza coupons for your email or whatever, so that's a big one right there. But you can always use their apps and everything like that, like scan your box codes or whatever to get free pizza that way and like rack up points. So that's one right there. But I have a major thing to tell you about that. With some specific pizza rewards apps like Domino's, for example, if you scan, you don't necessarily have to scan the box of pizza, you can just scan the pizza and get points that way. So what I've seen a lot of people do is Google an image of pizza and take that rewards thing and then scan that thing of the pizza and you get free points that way. Now, there is a caveat to this. You can only technically get like 10 points for scanning it, but you can only do it like once a week, and you have to do it for multiple weeks in a row in order to get free pizza. So if you want to save up points that way, if you want to scan an image of pizza for like, I think it's like 6 weeks, then be my guest. But that one in the long run, you can get pizza that way, but it might not be worth the effort to a lot of you. So the next way, and this is a major one, and I didn't see this about it until I saw it on Reddit, and this reminds me a lot of that Subway video that I did about how to get free cookies, which is still my most popular video, which is so weird. Basically, towards the closing shift of a lot of pizza chains and also smaller mom and pop shops, they end up having a lot of pizzas that just at the end of the day they made wrong or they made extras or whatever the case is, and sometimes the staff does take it with them or whoever, they give them to whoever they want to. But if you call them near closing time and you're like, oh, do you guys have any pizzas that were messed up or messed up pizzas that you're giving away for free, whatever, if you ask them, there is a slight chance they might give you some pizzas that they probably made like an hour ago or they messed up or something like that, and they might have like a lot of boxes of pizzas. And a person, how many pizzas can a person eat, bro? Like, if you're lucky enough, they might actually end up hooking you up. Now, I've heard this done with major chains, and I've heard this done with smaller mom and pop stores as well. And like I said before, this is similar to what I said in that Subway video about the cookies. At the end of the shift, it's not like they can keep those cookies and keep them for the next day sometimes. So if you go and ask them can I get them for free, whatever, and if you're nice about it, there's a potential that they could potentially hook you up with them, you know what I mean? So with that one, that's a major one. Is it going to work every time? Probably not, but it might work sometimes. So that's a major one. Also, I have to throw this one in there too, the subreddit random acts of pizza. If you're really in a need, if you're really feeling it, like you don't have any sort of money at all and you need someone to hook you up, that subreddit does do a really good job at hooking people up who need it. I wouldn't go on there and randomly ask for pizza, you know what I mean? Don't be taking it away from somebody who needs it. But that's always an option. If you're in a position where you can actually go give pizza out, then go give pizza out to those people on that subreddit as well. And also, like I said, apps are a humongous thing. Things like T-Mobile Tuesdays, they were giving away a lot of free pizza. Random apps will have random sign-up bonuses and things like that. So it's funny how pizza is so unified and it unifies the whole entire country, and it's just everyone loves it. And these are basically just a few ways on how to get free pizza. The major one would probably be the messed up pizza, calling up the places and trying to get them at night. That's probably the best way to do it. Is it going to work 100% of the time? Probably not, but it could work. So you guys can go ahead and try it out. If it ended up working for you, let me know in the comment section below. But that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Definitely hit that subscribe button. That would mean so much. Check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.